So your all things, all activity is being recorded over here. So now I'm just getting into the chapter. Chapter number is page number 127. You know the chapter is a network, which you have already completed with Sir. So basically, I'm going to discuss about that chapter. Why? Because this chapter is there in your second assignment. So second assignment is coming soon, that is in the month of September. So during that particular time you have an exam, and in that exam you are going to work on chapter number 6, which is called the network, in the page number 127. Everybody, please, we are going to discuss about this particular chapter, network. What is network? What you have learned about the network? Gracie will tell me what you would have learned about the network in your lectures with Sir. Gracie? Gracie? Gracie is there? Are you there, Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is network? What is network? Okay, take a pencil, get into the page number 127 and underline. A computer network is a system of interconnecting computers or terminal. It shares resources, computers, peripherals, and terminals. It is used for the purpose of transmitting computerized data from one location to another location. This is the portion you are going to underline. Computer network is a system of interconnecting computers or terminals. It shares the resources, computers, peripherals, terminals. It is used for the purpose of transmitting computerized data from one location to another location. The data can be in the form of text, graphics, pictures, audios, or videos. Please underline these all, and this is the answer of what is network. What is computer network? Basically not network, what is a computer network? That is the answer. Network is the word which is actually created when we are sharing, a group of people sharing their resources, resources of knowledge, resources of object, resources of different things. When they are sharing, that is called a networking system. It may be in a particular flat, or it may be in a particular colony. Some people, they shares their resources. Somebody shares their, somebody actually you take a stage where you do some kind of drama or some kind of things, like some kind of maybe jokes and all. When you share, that is also a kind of sharing the information, sharing the type of things. So that can be treated as a network system. Similarly, when a particular place, when you look at your computers, in the computers we have a different types of animation, text, graphics, whatever the things we have, and whatever I want to share through a group of, through the group of people, or to the group of people who are connected, interconnected to each other. Now, as you can say, in a colony, number of people are interconnected to each other through a particular stage or through a particular division, and then that is called a interconnectivity of the people, and that interconnectivity of the people is known as network system. So in computer also, when you have a number of devices, number of text, graphics, pictures, lots of things, whatever you have in a different computers, and you want to share among a group of people, that is called a network system. So I have already defined what is network system. And through the network, what we do, we communicate. And when they communicate, it means we share. And when we share, we communicate. Suppose in a network, 2 people or 3 people are there. So among those, like here we are nearly 39 people are there in a network system just now. Now all these 39 people want to share their informations, and when they want to share the information, what do? We are sharing the information with the help of the pictures, and we are with the help of the graphics. Maybe if I am sharing my screen, I'll be sharing some of the information through the screen when I will do the programming part and all. That time what I will be doing, I'll be sharing my screen. they're sharing my resources. So similarly, I'm communicating with you. Like now, I'm communicating with you. A communication system, when you want to create, then you need some three people, three parts over there. One part is called a sender, one part is called a medium, another part is called a receiver. So one person will be sending the information, another person will be receiving the information, and in between the two people, there will be a medium. As you now, as a particular, if you look at us, what we are doing, I'm talking and you are listening, and my talking, my video is going through the computer networking system, that is internet. Through the internet, I'm using a specific type of software, Zoom, and this Zoom is a particular medium, and the computer is a medium, and in this medium, when the information goes, then what are the things are there? There is a transmission media, there is the transmission signals, various signals are there which are taking my information from one place to another place. Like here I can say that my video has been converted into the telephonic information, and then it is going from one end to another end, and you are receiving that information and you are seeing my picture. Again, these all things are called transmission signals. And then to take this, there are lots of softwares out there which is helping these pictures to go from one end to another end. Apart from that, my voice going from one end to another end with the help of lots of pictures, lots of components of softwares, and those components of softwares are called communication protocols. So everybody, there is a next type is what is communication protocol, what is network component, what is transmission medium, what is transmission signals, that we were going to learn. So if you look at the network components here, we have the three parts are there. First is the person who is sending the information, like here I'm sending the information. Again, when you will ask the question, you will be sending the information, I'll be receiving the information. So there is a two-way communication is there, always two-way communication is there. So now when you are sending the information, that's your information is coming with the help of the computer and with the help of a network system, with the help of a ISP, and with the help of the telephone lines. So these all are all transmission media. And finally, the signals which are coming to me in the form of digital, and then I'm receiving all the information here in a digital format in my computer. You are receiving in your devices the digital format information. But when it is communicated through the channel, and the channel cannot communicate the digital signal. So what channel can communicate? Channel can communicate the analog signal. So you will find that your information is been translated into the analog signal, and then it has been transmitted through a particular medium called telephone medium, and it is going to you. Now if you watch these things carefully, who is doing this one and how it is being done? Now when you look at the transmission medium, there are various types of transmission medium. One is wireless transmission, one is wired transmission. Like if you look at the BSNL line at your home, or maybe a broadband line, which is actually having a specific cable connected to your devices directly, and all the information is coming through the cable, maybe a fiber optical cable, maybe a jelly cable, whatever this is. Now, if you different companies using different kind of cables over there, but through the cables, when the information is going from one end to another end, they are all called wired computers, wired connectivity. And when you look at the wire, there are various types of wires available. One is twisted pair, one is coaxial, one is fiber optical, one is jelly cable, and these cables are actually transmitting the data. The fastest way of communicating the data is called jelly cables. Now, if you look at the wireless, everybody, most of you are using the mobile phone to receive my information. Now, this information is coming without any wire, and that is called wireless information. And this wireless information is coming with the help of the radio wave or microwave or various satellite informations. This all waves, electronics waves. These are electronics waves, and these electronics waves are coming to you with the help of the satellite and all. So you can easily find out, this is again how the data is being transmitted from one end to another end. Then transmission signal. As I told you, my computer understand the digital signal, and your devices understand the digital signal. So whatever the information you are collecting, they are been shown in your computer in the form of digital. But when I want to send the digital information, I won't be able to send the digital information directly to you. What happens, because the carrier, the person who will carry my information, that is the telephone line or this telephone signal system, these cannot carry my information in the form of digital signal. Then what it will do, it will convert into the analog signals. What is analog? It is a type of signal which is continuously varying in nature. It varies in nature. Okay, varying in nature is known as analog signal. So what is analog signal? If the question appears, you have to write at any type of signal or wave which is continuously varying in nature is known as analog signal. So page number 129, underline this one, and if the question appears what is analog signal, you're going to write these answers. What are you going to write? Tell me, both of you who are unmuted. Gracie, tell me, what should be the answer? Gracie.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming? Hello, Gracie.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Why? My voice is going. Can you hear me? Hello. And another one who is there?
Sir, your voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming. Okay, let me see. Okay.
Sir. So it is coming half and then half and then half.
Wait, let me see. Because my network is a broadband network. It should not be happening like this. Okay, Shreyoni. Anisha Kumari. Hello, Anisha. Can you hear me? Hello, Anisha. Can you hear me?